Efficiently read big CSV file by parts using Dask. Now I'm reading big CSV file using Dask and do some post-processing on it, for example, do some math, then predict by some ML model and write results to database. Avoiding load all data in memory, I want to read by chunks of current size, read first chunk, predict, write, read second chunk and etc. I tried next solution using skip rows and rows. But I get error. Value error, sample is not large enough to include at least one row of data. Please increase the number of bytes in sample in the call to read_CSV/read_table. Also, as I understand, it will compute binary mask every time, false, false, true, for all the data to find rows to load. How can we do it more efficient? Maybe use some distributed or delayed functions from Dask.
daskdataframe will partition the data for you. You don't need to use rows/skip_rows. If you want to pick out a particular partition, then you could use the partitions accessor. However, you might also want to apply your functions in parallel.